Today's project starts with a deep, saturated green watercolor background that will really pop with our white lettering. When that dries, go ahead and grab your white paint pen. This one is by Posca, and I'm drawing imperfect bubble letters. I have set up guidelines, but I did decide not to sketch with pencil on top of the watercolor background. It's just too risky. The guidelines are enough. We already have to erase those, and we'll be risking our watercolor background then. The other thing is that I wanted these letters to look imperfect anyway. So if we do sketch on top of sketch on top of sketch on top of sketch, it's just gonna start looking way too perfect. A little tip for your spacing here, always identify the center line of your paper as one of your guides. Then start with your center letters of each word and work outwards from your center letter instead of working from left to right. That will really help you line things up. I also did another coat of white paint pen off camera. Finally, we're going to use any gold writing utensil that you have to create shadowing and really make this lettering pop. The only reason I'm using ink and a paintbrush is because it's what I have. I'm not trying to be extra fancy or anything. A gold gel pen would work. That's what my preference would be, just because it's easier. The first thing we need to do is determine where our light source is so that we know where to put our shadows. Mine is up and off to the right, so I'm drawing thin shadow lines to the left of my letters. Once you fill them all in, you're done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. It truly helps. I post new videos every Tuesday. If you don't want to miss them, make sure that you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.